This entire session is being divided into two parts. First one is the drafting part, drafting of all these deeds and documents. And the next part will be the execution part, which is the most important part to give effect to a transfer of property from one person to another person's name. Yes, so as I said, the drafting of this document should be very, very important. On a practical note, all these agreements come under the purview of commercial agreements, and the language and the tone of the agreement should be very clear and precise, and it should be unambiguous. What is meant by unambiguous? Whatever language you choose to write in the draft should not have more than one meaning. As in, the draft of your document should not have more than one interpretation or multiple interpretation. So what I would like to do is I would like to divide the agreement into four parts. You must have noticed that the agreement is divided into four parts. First one is the preamble. Second one is the recitals. Third part is the clauses part, which is the most important part. And then fourth is signing and sealing it.